2020 has been a year like no other. One cannot neglect the fact that 2020 was full of surprising events, all of which had a crucial impact on the business world. While adjusting to the previous year realities, we have undoubtedly witnessed a complete structural change in sales. With all the hardship that came along with the global lockdown, buyers became more conscious of their spendings. In turn, people in sales had to come up with more flexible solutions. This hampered a wide array of sales strategies, techniques, and methods, which used to be effective at one point in time. However, that long list of sales formulas has an opportunity to dominate and stay in 2021. If you are looking to be at the top of your sales game, then tune into our upcoming informative webinar to get to know more effective sales tips for 2021. Set your calendar for 30th April 2021 and explore 20 best sales tips and win more sales in 2021 and beyond.